Hello everyone, this is Alicia from workersonboard.com. This video is really going to be jam-packed today. So first I'm going to tell you about some changes that I'm going to be making here on YouTube, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm also going to share with you very practical ways for you to make more than $500 a month or more from home. So this is a video that's going to help a lot of people who are struggling to pay their bills or even to buy groceries. And you can use these sites to earn extra cash if you're not working from home or in addition to working from home. I'm also going to share with you a company that will give you a $5,000 bonus along with your hourly pay as well as benefits. And it pays $43,000 a year. And they need agents to work from home right now. And some work-at-home jobs for beginners that are new to working from home that will give you a free computer. Plus a work-at-home job that pays over $25 per hour to help customers from your home office. And they will give you a free computer too. So there's a lot in this video. And so I'm going to try to go pretty quickly, but I am going to talk about some updates. Now remember, if you have not subscribed to this channel, just click on the join or subscribe button right below this video. So first, let me give you a quick update. So this is another channel that I have on YouTube. I've had it for quite a while. And I don't upload videos all the time like I do here on this channel. In the beginning, I was a little bit more optimistic and I thought I could do a lot more than I realized I could. And so this channel is still has a lot of value and relevant content here, but you're going to be noticing the videos that were here being uploaded to my main channel. So I'm going to actually shut this one down. And I'm going to have everything on just this one channel. So I want to let you all know that. So if you see some videos, please feel free to watch them because you may not have been subscribed to this other channel and just my main channel, but you can benefit from the content that I posted there because I'm going to all migrate it over to this channel. So please watch them. A lot of the sites that I talked about and shared are still online right now, and you can use them to make extra cash. There's also a lot of helpful videos to tell you how you can write from home and make money writing, put ads on different platforms that you may be using, so definitely make sure you check that out. So if you are subscribed to this channel, make sure you just come over and subscribe to my main channel, workersonboard.com. Now, somebody asked me about some work-at-home jobs for beginners that will give you a free computer. That was actually hard to find. I thought it would have been easier than I realized, but I did find at least 25. As I find more, I will put them here in this post, but I will link it below this video for you all to check out. And there are some companies that only require very minimal experience or none at all, and they will give you a computer. So definitely make sure you check that out. Also, I do want to share with you all this company. This is also listed in that post, Restaurant Store. They need customer solution specialists to work from home. Now, they will give you a free computer. And all they want you to be able to do is help their customers with a variety of software tools, help them to navigate their accounts, research questions, and help to solve their problems. So you do need excellent verbal skills, typing skills, a quiet workspace, and a physical address, not a P.O. box or anything like that. And that is so that they can send you your computer equipment. It pays $25.70 per hour with training and benefits. So if you're interested in this job, just click to visit their official website. It's going to reroute you to their website, and then you'll see the application page, and it'll tell you more about this opportunity and what you can expect to be doing here and some of the other perks and how you can apply right there. Just click on the application page. Also, there is some data entry jobs on the weekly job page, if you're looking for data entry, there's a company that is hiring data entry keyers right now, and they also will give you a $500 bonus to work for that company, and our $500 home office stipend plus monthly internet stipend, which is a nice perk. So definitely make sure you check that out. The other job, there's other jobs too for people that live in California and other states. No experience required. Local Kitchens is looking for guest experience agents to help their customers and to assist their delivery partners. And you can see the pay, and also they don't require any experience, just good verbal skills, patience, and can multitask. And there's a job for teenagers who are at least 16 from Gallup. They need telephone interviewers to contact people and gather their opinions over the phone via survey. You do need to be a savvy communicator and be able to work at least 15 hours a week with a strong work ethic, and you can work your own schedule. So if you're a teenager or a parent of a teen that's out of school and wants to work remotely, they can definitely apply to this opportunity. So this other job that will give you a $5,000 bonus comes from Viking Cruises. They need air travel agents to work from home. You're going to get a $2,000 sign-on bonus, then a $3,000 retention bonus to book and service airline reservations. You also notify guests of schedule changes and other duties related to that. So you will need 2 years experience. You have to have knowledge of Sabri or GDS and can work various shifts, and it pays $43,000 a year with benefits, and it's full time. Now, these jobs, I will be posting more tomorrow on the weekly job page, so be sure to come back for that. And on Friday, on the Friday freebie page, as well as in my newsletter on Friday. You can just click here to subscribe to the newsletter so that you can get those work at home jobs delivered to your inbox. So now I'm going to be talking about some of the ways that you can earn at least $500 a month or more doing different things right from your home office. So Spreadshop is a company that is great for creators and business professionals, entrepreneurs, where you can upload your logos, your designs, and put them on mugs or hoodies, t-shirts, and all kinds of merchandise, even face masks, tote bags, and all kinds of things, and sell them online to other people. Now, it's completely free. It doesn't cost you any money at all. And on average, shop earners can earn $751 a month. And if you sell more, of course, you're going to earn more and you'll get a performance bonus if you sell more than 50 items. But this is a really nice way for people to earn money from home, and then even have and could share their own website without having to buy one, just by uploading your designs or logos. As you can see, an example of what people may upload and then put on merch to sell to other people. And it really is a great way for you to get, kind of expose your creativity and highlight it to others and profit from, your unique designs and logos and things like that. So this is just a way that you can definitely use to make some money from home, something you can try and kind of get your creative juices flowing. So if this is something you'd be interested in, definitely make sure you click the link below this video to get started with that. Another company you could try is TaskRabbit. Now, they need people, kind of like experts or people to complete different kinds of tasks. So if you're skilled in, for example, assembling furniture or cleaning or moving furniture or something like that, you could definitely do that in your area and work on projects for other people, and they need assistance with that. And you can really set your own rates here, and you can work whenever you want. You will get your pay plus tips and all of that. A lot of these jobs, as you can see, people are offering their skills and they can complete tasks for people. And some of them pay on the low end around $30 an hour, and some of them go as high as up to $70 per hour. And so again, you can work on your own schedule, and they have lots of cities they need people to do this from, as well as in other countries like the UK, Canada, France, Germany, Spain, Portugal, and Italy. So please, definitely, if you're thinking about doing something like this, or you would like to do it, this is a platform that's going to connect you with people that need help doing tasks for them and working on projects for them. So you could click on the link below this video to get started and sign up and enter your profile to get started to become a tasker. And you can also download the apps as well. Another thing you could do, I haven't talked about this before, is Dscout. This is an app that I actually have on my iPhone right now that you can download and use. And you can get paid to complete all kinds of missions through this app, this one app. Some people are able to make close to $500 a month with this app. They have a lot of missions right now. They need people to talk about restaurants and foods that you would purchase and buy, or tech, mobile devices and the techie field, or mobile devices that you use, or talk about your health, different things like that. And you would complete these simple missions. You apply through the app, you sign up first, and then if you see something that you would like to participate in, you sign up and apply. A lot of these have multiple openings, and some of them pay. For example, if you wanted to talk about your device and accessories, pays $150 for that. So you just submit your application, and then if they feel like you're a good fit, they will contact you. You could talk about beauty. They have one admission about that. And then you can get paid just to share your thoughts. And you may have to upload a short video, answer a couple of questions, but it's definitely worth downloading this app. Another thing that you can do is actually get paid to around $300 a year to save energy in your home through Ohm Connect. And this is to help you to save energy when dirty energy is running. And so they will, give you a notification and tell you maybe you could turn off the lights or conserve your energy during that time. And it's free. It's easy to get started, and you get rewards here. They also give away weekly prizes and gift cards and all of that. And they help you to save money in the process, as well as rewarding you for doing that. So they are looking for people in California, Texas, Florida, and there may be some other states, but definitely make sure this is just another easy way for you to earn some extra money saving energy in your home. Definitely make sure you click on the link below this video to give that a try too. Qlik Worker, I've talked about this before, but this is also another site that will pay you to do simple web search evaluation tasks. They have lots of tasks to choose from. Sometimes they need you to do voiceovers and things like that, or upload photos and different kinds of unique tasks. Now through the app, right now they have jobs available. They'll pay you $20 per job to go to Macy's and take different fragrances for men and take photos of those and show and upload it through the app. But that's something that you could do really easily. And if you live really close to or nearby a Macy's, or you're gonna go and shop there really soon, then you can make money with Qlik Worker. And they pay you every week through your PayPal account, and it is open worldwide, and you don't have to have any previous experience to work on these tasks. You can work on as many as you want every single day if you want to. So definitely make sure you give this a try too. Now, if you're thinking about something a little bit different, and you're more business minded, entrepreneurial, have that entrepreneurial spirit, like maybe creating your own designs, you can also start your own newsletter through Constant Contact. And you can even get started for free. And you could share content with people that subscribe to your newsletter. Maybe you've signed up with an affiliate company and you can promote and share different offers for them, even freebies, and make a commission from that. And all kinds of deals, and have people subscribe to your newsletter and be able to generate income from a newsletter. Some people just use this method alone to make decent money from home. So this is something that you could do too, and grow your audience with your newsletter, and have people, subscribe and continue to feed them with new content, fresh new content, and you can grow your business that way too. Something to think about. Also, this is another company, Permission Research. They need people to install their app, and they will give you $20 within the first week that you participate, and then you'll continue to get that every single month as you use the internet and browse the web. That's just going to run in the background, and then you'll get paid to do this. There are similar companies that will pay you to do that as well, but this is one of the ones that you could try to earn extra $20 a month while you're searching the web. So about Ibotta. They too will pay you to upload receipts and to shop for groceries or shop online and different things like that. And so you're going to get $10 when you upload your first receipt. It's completely free. It's similar to Fetch, but here you can redeem your money in cash instantly, or you could get gift cards. So that's a really nice feature about Ibotta. And a lot of people have, instead of using coupons, they just use the app and find offers that they were going to purchase anyway and get that cash back to them, which I think is more rewarding than simply just using a coupon. But either way, you can earn money with this app. It's completely free, and I will have the link right below this video. Also, Field Agent is another app that you can download, and you can complete missions in the store. Maybe you're going to go to a store in your neighborhood, and they will ask you to take a photo of a display, or maybe they will ask you to order pizza online and then tell about your experience, or maybe they'll ask you to try a product and give your thoughts about it. And a lot of the missions pay at least $5. Some of them pay up to $10, but they're open worldwide, and it's easy to use, and they pay you direct deposit through your bank account. So definitely make sure you check that out too. This last one, which I talked about in my last video, Prize Rebel, they're still giving away $2,000 this month. And so you can join this site. It's completely free. You can also earn to complete offers, surveys, and a lot of different ways, mostly surveys, I would say. But if you complete the most surveys and offers during the month, they will give you an incentive too, meaning you'll earn more money for doing that. They give away the top survey takers for every 2 weeks. So there'll be 10 surveys, international surveys, 10 more people that will get extra cash, 10 more people who complete the most offers and all of that. So it's really rewarding. And you can get your money in cash via PayPal or through free gift cards. So these are just some sites that I highly recommend that you use. You can start using it today, sign up for free today and get started with that to help offset some of the cost of inflation, or to help you to earn some extra income so that you will, will be able to survive through this difficult economy right now. A lot of people are being confronted with high prices all across the board, and this will help to offset some of that and even put some extra cash in your pocket. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up, and remember, I'm going to be migrating a lot of that content from my other channel here. So if you see a video that appeals to you, please watch it, like it, and share it with your family and friends. And thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, if you've gotten hired recently, please leave me your comments below. And thank you so much for watching this video to the end. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, and make sure you check out for my next video. Thanks for watching.